Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Jagged Factory's Creatine Monohydrate, a popular supplement that claims to boost strength, performance, and muscle recovery. We went directly to their official store and checked out the formula, and here's our honest experience after testing it. The pros first. This is a pure creatine monohydrate powder, which is the most researched and effective form of creatine on the market. The powder dissolves easily in water with minimal grit, and we didn't experience any stomach discomfort. Over several weeks of consistent training, we noticed improved endurance and strength output, especially during heavy lifts and sprints. Another plus is the affordability. Jagged Factory tends to be competitively priced compared to big brands. Now, the cons. The packaging feels minimal, almost too plain, which might make some question quality control. It's also unflavored, which is great for stacking but can taste bland if you drink it solo. Lastly, while it's pure creatine, there are no added electrolytes or extras that some premium creatines include for better absorption. Overall, Jagged Factory's creatine monohydrate isn't overprocessed trash. It's a solid, clean, budget-friendly creatine option that works if you stay consistent. It does exactly what creatine should do, without the flashy marketing. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.